CTE works for me.
I joined the construction design program because I'm interested in architecture.
I knew that construction design program had architectural elements, and I love making designs, so seeing that was really awesome for me.
We learned how to use AutoCAD, which is the software that we use to make drawings.
We learn about the plumbing, the HVAC, and every little component that makes a building a building.
We get to actually design on AutoCAD and make our designs come to life.
It's a way to express creativity in creating and designing structures and learning about architecture.
It creates me a sense of purpose because I'm able to use teamwork skills and just collaborate.
This is empowering because I can use this information to make a change in the world in the future and bring my designs into what people see every day.
Honestly, at first, I thought it was gonna be us wearing hard hats and vests and going out and actually doing stuff, but it's more of an intellectual thing.
I feel like this is a great program to be in because first of all, you get to be hands-on. You get to learn a whole new world of architecture.
A good candidate for the construction design program is someone who is passionate, someone who's ready to learn.
Someone who loves to create, loves to build, is not afraid to go out in the real world to express their ideas.
If you're considering this program, you should definitely do it. I'm sure you're gonna love it.
It's really been like guiding me and just like, yeah, I'm into this.
To be in this program, you are a step ahead, definitely.
I know my future self will be very proud of me that I've decided to join this program because this is the teaching. This is a foundation. So I'm learning so much.
CTE works for me.